been asked by a couple of people now about setting up an inline neb for a BiPAP patient. So there's a few things you're going to need. You're going to need a nebulized pipe set. You're going to need the appropriately sized mask for your patient and the strap. I took the strap off for demonstration purposes here so it just wouldn't be cumbersome. You're going to need a viral bacterial filter. Here at St. Francis County we carry 2 different types. I'm going to demonstrate the use of both types for you today. And you'll need the adult tube set. Okay, so let's go ahead and get our stuff prepared. Some of the things that you're not going to need from the neb pipe: you're not going to need the corrugated flex tubing, and you're not going to need the mouthpiece itself. You will need, however, the rest of the nebulized nebulizer. You're also going to need the med that will go in here. Now, there's a certain way that this is going to go on because of the 2 different viral filters. So when you do hook this up to the tubing, you're going to take the big end of your T-piece and it's going to go over your vent tubing. Now, again, it could be spun to kind of accommodate how the patient's laying. That's not that difficult there, but it does need to go the big part over the vent tubing itself. The next thing is you're going to take either viral filter. Now, if you'll see on this viral filter, either side is a little different, and the same goes for this viral filter. Both sides are just a little different. So what you'll need to do is you will need to take that big end and it will go over where this lip part is. Slide right over that, and then that will be attached to the mask. It's important that we remember that this viral filter is attached directly to the mask and it's not anywhere else in the circuit. So when you start nebulizing your medication will go into the patient, obviously, but when they exhale, we want that exhaled breath to be filtered so that the diseases that they may have in their respiratory tract as they're breathing out is expelled into the air. Now, the other viral filter is very simple, very similar in its way of using here. Big end over that lipped in, and then the mask goes on the viral filter. Okay, so some of you might be saying, oh yeah, you can use that, you can use that. I've tried to put this on several different ways with both different filters, and it's not really working the way that we want it designed, because when we put this corrugated portion over the end of the T-piece that we were supposed to, it does not fit into that big end. Well, let's flip that viral filter around then. But the problem there is that the viral filter doesn't match up with the mask itself. And again, the viral filter needs to be attached to the mask. So our other one, the same situation here. We're not going to try to push that into the groove. We want a sealed system here, and that side of the viral filter will not go into the mask.